Dear researcher, this feels important, but I have questions for you and for myself. I feel like I have an ethical obligation to help, but do I have time? Will talking about my experience undo me? Can I provide enough information while still protecting my child's privacy? Will you understand if I can't be there because I have to be here? Dear researcher, how will this make a difference in our life?
My heart was racing slightly as I balanced coffee, cookies, and a fruit tray on my walk down the bright and colorful halls of the Children's Hospital. After many months of challenging participant recruitment, I was excited and anxious to approach the rooms where the research participants, parents of children with disabilities, were waiting. For almost 2 years, I had been preparing for this moment. We started by sharing a little bit about ourselves, and then I thought it is time to get to the research agenda. I eased into the research questions. The conversation was going well, and I was excited to be collecting some interesting data. But then, what is the point of this research? How will it impact my child? I fumbled over my words to try and find a response. I had come to this group so prepared, but had not prepared for these questions. What is your plan for how this research can have an impact in the real world for our children? Whether it was real or perceived, the energy in the room suddenly felt very different. This wasn't part of the plan. I did not come here prepared to defend my research. We eventually got back on track, focusing on the scripted interview guide that I had prepared. But I could tell the parents were frustrated, and frankly, I was as well. I left that meeting feeling embarrassed, disappointed, and so upset. It dawned on me that over 10 years of research training, and nobody had prepared me to do anything except the research. I didn't even know where to begin in thinking about real-world impact. Dear family, your questions, perspectives, and lived experience really do make an impact in research. Let's work together and bridge the gap because true collaboration does have the power to make a difference.